I'm going to show you how to tie the Windsor knot, a timeless classic. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it all by yourself. Let's get right into it. First, drape the tie around your neck. Wide end on your right, thin end on your left. The wide end should hang lower than the thin end, ideally a few inches below your fingertips. Now, take the wide end and cross it over the thin end. We're going right over left. Pinch this X you've made and bring the wide end up through the neck loop from underneath. We're going to build up some structure here, like an architectural marvel, except it's made of silk or polyester. I don't judge. Okay, this is where things get interesting. Bring the wide end around the back and to the right. We're looping it behind. This will be the backbone of your knot, the framework that'll hold everything in place. Now bring it up and down through the neck loop again, but this time from the front. Straight through the top. Pull it down and over to the left. Keep it snug. Not too tight, but nice and firm. Now, this is where the magic happens. Swing the wide end across the front, left to right. This is the part that gives the Windsor its broad, symmetrical look. Swap hands. Take the wide end and bring it up through the neck loop again, from underneath. Okay, we've come this far, there's no stopping now. Let's lock this knot in place. Take the tip of the wide end and feed it down through this loop you just made in the front. Gently pull it from underneath, all the way down. Pinch the knot here to get it nice and triangular. Hold the narrow end with one hand and slide the knot up with the other. Step back from the mirror and give yourself a nod. You're officially equipped to conquer the world. Want to keep the glow up going? Click the video on screen to learn another killer knot that'll make your future self high-five you. Why stop at one? Click the video now to add another signature move to your repertoire. And hey, if this video helped you out, hit that like button. It's always greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.